Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about the cross-site scripting attack. Cross-site scripting attack is a security vulnerability that typically found in the web application. So this is the web application which is vulnerable to cross-site scripting attack. To execute the malicious script, we always need to find the input tags of the website. So why not we give a try to execute a malicious script in the search box of this website. So I'm going to write a simple script and we are going to check that is this website vulnerable to cross-site script attack or not. Hit the go button and see, as expected, we are able to see a pop-up box with the message hacked. It means that it gives a confirmation that this website is vulnerable to cross-site scripting attack. Now we are going to execute some of the complicated scripts that I have created. So this one we already covered. So this is the script that allows us to modify the cookies of this website. Just before to modify the cookies of the website, why not we are going to check the cookies of the website. So this is a JavaScript method. That's how we can call the JavaScript in the URL. So I'm going to write JavaScript :alert document.cookies and hit the enter button. So as you can see that these are the cookies and these are the cookies I just added before to making this video. So now I am going to add some new cookies in this website. Okay, let's say we are going to add here cybercrime. Copy this script, hit OK here, paste it in the search input, and as you can see that we are successfully able to modify the cookies of the website. To check it properly, we need to execute the JavaScript pop-up box. We need to call the JavaScript alert. So this is a confirmation that we are able to change the cookies of the website also. Now we are going to execute, now we are going to write the text message on the web application. Copy this script. This script is basically, this is a script tag of JavaScript, and document is a DOM method which calls the write function of the JavaScript, and I am going to write a "you have been hacked" message on the web page using a headline tag of the HTML. Copy the script, paste it here, et voila. As you can see that we are able to successfully write "you have been hacked" on this website, right? If we want to move the text on the web page, we just simply need to add the marquee tag, and we need to specify the direction we want to move the text. So I want to move the text from right to left. Copy the script, paste it here and hit the go button, and we are successfully able to move the hacked text on the web page. Why not we able to display an image on the website? Copy this. This is the image, giving the source of the image. Paste it here, hit the go button. As you can see that we are able to successfully add the image tag in the website also. Now we need to move the image using the marquee tag. I just simply add the marquee tag in just above the image tag of the HTML. Copy the script, paste it here and let's wait for the output. So this is the output of the script, and if we want to execute the loop, and if we want, what if we want to execute the loop? So this is the script that allows me to execute the loops in the website. So this is a simple DOM function. This is the for loop, which is going to calculate the multiply the value of I with 10. So this is nothing but table of 10. So I'm going to copy this script, I'm going to paste it here and hit the go button, and we get what we are looking for. Now if we want to stop someone to accessing the resources of this website, what we simply do is I'm going to execute this loop for 100 times, and I'm going to change this method with alert pop-up that displays a text to the user that this website has been hacked. Copy this, paste it here and hit the go button. So I'm keep on hitting the OK button, but still I'm not able to access the resources of website. This would actually happen in the DDoS attack. When DDoS attack happens, a user not able to access the resources of the website. This is not the actual demonstration of the DDoS attack, but this is a kind of a DDoS attack we are able to execute using the cross-site scripting attack. So thank you so much for watching the video.